Hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at a simple script for a multiplication table. Kind of like it's technically a multiplication table. So let's just run through the code. It's really fundamentally 3 lines, so it's pretty simple. So we have a variable number, and so it's going to be the number that we multiply it from. So like this is the output here. You can see it's 12 times. And then this is the range. So I is just the variable, again, for the range from 1 to 11, which is fundamentally 1 to 10. And then we just have it printing for, so we have a for statement, and then which is then indented. So then it's saying that the function on line 10 is part of line 9. And so you have the variable number, so that's basically 12 effectively multiplied by I, which is going to be from that range. And then the actual part that it outputs is number times I. Okay, so let's say we want the multiplication table for all ones going from 1 to 10. But most multiplication tables are from 1 to 13, or from 1 to 12, I'm sorry. But it'll be calculated of 1 to 13. So, boom, we've got an output here, and that's exactly what we want. You could do the exact same thing with 2. In fact, you can change this to whatever number you want. In fact, if you really want to, you can do this. You can do a huge range, and it'll do a bunch of calculations for you. Obviously, and it's pretty simple, pretty easy. You've just got the input outputs. Yeah, so at the end of the day, it's not that simple, or not that complicated, I should say. I have a future video that will be using this to actually do a quick CPU test, which it literally uses just this same code, just repurposed. And so that's pretty much it. Super simple. I'll probably make a more complicated version in the future that actually does a proper multiplication table. But yeah, this is just super basic code. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.